if the food, now you cannot say which is the best food. Many patients come and ask, sir, what is the best food for me? Best food to eat.
Correct.
They say this is good, this is available, best in the market, we have multi-grain, atta should I have, it has everything, nutrients. That is not the right way to have food. Best food is considered as good one when it is, when your body handles it well.
Acha.
So my food and your food may differ.
Oh.
What is good for my constitution
May not be good for me.
may not be good for you.
Correct.
So you have to see what is traditionally cooked in your family is the best food for you. Traditionally cooked. What your grandmother cooked, what your mother cooked, okay, what you are eating at home. Not the tasty food what is available in the market. The tasty food is made tasty that you eat more and get into diseases.
Correct.
So that automatically you go to hospitals and you spend more money. You earn money to live a happy life and ultimately you spend all the money to die poor.
Good life.
Okay. So the right food for you keeps nourishes your body. All the 7 tissues are nourished properly.